Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 90. The diagram below shows a triangle with 7, 8, and 9 at its corners. 在下图中有一个三角形，其中7、8、9三个数字呢都在它的角上边。Fill in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 such that the sum on each side adds up to 23. 23。那么我们要知道，这里这两个这边是呢 8 plus 9 is 17. But if we want to have the sum of these four numbers be 23 minus 17, we got the other two numbers must be add up to 6, and also 8 plus 7 here, 15. 23 minus 15 equals 8, and 9 plus 7 equals 16, and 23 minus 16 is 7. 那么这时候我们要看了 ，OK？ 如果说我们的要让这两个数字相加等于8，那么可以5 plus 3，那么再接下来呢，那我们就是7怎么得到啊？7可以是6 plus 1，然后呢，我们的6怎么得到啊？6 2 and 4，OK？所以说我们来6 2 and 4 6 and 8 6 plus 2 8，然后我们用掉了我们的我们用掉了 2 6，不可以嘞，是不是啊？你们发现没有？不可以嘞，这样子不可以，那我们改掉它 ，we change it， 重新再试，看有哪两个数字 OK， 这里加6的不可以，那我们用什么？我们用1 plus 5 1 plus 5 is 6，这里好像可以哦。And 2 plus 6 8。再试一下，我们还有什么？我们还剩下什么数字？What we left? 1 2 3 4。Okay, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, got it. 所以说我们把这些数字填进去 ，fill these numbers into the circle in the figure. 2 6 3 4. Okay, done. And that is it. So before you solve these kind of questions, you need to make sure the sum of these two given number in each side of the triangle you must calculate. And after that, you minus the sum from the 23 here, and you can get the digits. You need to get the sum of 2 digits to 6, sum of 2 other digits to 7 and 8， 就是这么样子解题的。你要去尝试，就像我刚才在尝试的时候就出现错误了，不要紧，我们把它改过来。Okay? And that is all for this question. Thanks for watching. This is Teacher J. I will see you guys next time. Alright? Bye bye.